Hi boys and girls, Mr. Campbell here. Today we're going to talk about the area model of multiplication. And fair warning to any parents that are out there watching this, you may freak out just a little bit if you've never worked with the area model of multiplication, because odds are, if you're like me, this is nothing like what you were taught as a child. I certainly know that Mrs. Pitts back in 1976 was not teaching the area model of multiplication. We were standard algorithm all day, every day. So this will be a bit of a shock to some parents out there, but I'm hoping that this video will not only help your child, but help you to understand the area model as well. As we move forward, we will, of course, discuss the standard algorithm. This is just a way of breaking down multiplication of those larger numbers so that the kids can understand it just a little bit better. So let's jump right in. Let's go with like 7 times 43. So we're trying to find 7 times 43. When we discussed area in 4th grade, when we discuss area, we talk about the area of rectangular figures, and we are going to use a rectangular figure here for area model of multiplication. Okay? And of course the area is all this space that's in the middle of your rectangle, how much space the shape takes up. And it's essentially what we're doing here. And we're going to divide our rectangle based on the number of digits that we have in our larger number, which in this case is 43. We have a tens place, we have a ones place. So I am going to divide my rectangle into 2 halves. Now I've seen some folks draw their dividing lines based on the amount that they would be representing. So like in this case, we're representing over here, we're representing 3, and here we're representing 40. And I have seen some folks that will make this box significantly smaller because this is only 3. I personally prefer to just divide it up somewhat evenly. It just makes it easier for me. But you know, the kids, they can do whatever they want. So this 40 plus 3 basically represents this long side here. The 7 that we're multiplying by would represent this shorter side here. Okay? Alright, so I've got my box set up. Now I'm ready to multiply. And essentially I'm going to multiply where 2 numbers come together. So where this 7 and this 3 come together, I'm going to solve 7 times 3. Okay, and when I do 7 times 3, I get an answer of 21. Okay, and so where the 7 and the 40 come together, I'm going to solve 7 times 40. Well, I know that whatever my answer is, it's going to end with a 0 because 40 ends with a 0. And so really I'm done with this 0. I can just do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28, so that means 40 times 7, or 7 times 40, must be 280. I hope you're with me so far, because this seems kind of simple to me. Hopefully it seems simple to you too. So I found the area for this side, I found the area for this side. What about the entire rectangle? Well, if I have these 2 partial areas, 280 plus 21, add them together, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, regroup here, 1 plus 2, 3, 301. So 301 square units if I'm finding the area of this rectangle. If I'm just trying to find 7 times 43, that's just 301. I hope this helps not only the children, I hope it helps some parents out there that may have questions about what in the world area model is. Kids, if you have questions, please come and see me before or after class, or raise your hand during class and we will discuss it further. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.